G'day folks, I'm Benno. How you going? This is the shed and this is a progress report. So I'm going to say it right at the start of the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, drop us a comment. I'd love to hear what you think, and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down the bottom. So where am I at? Okay, well, I'm making up fairing at the moment, or screen. You can see just over the back there's a sheet of Perspex, which I'll end up using as the screen itself. But at the moment I've got this cardboard cutout. It's just a rough idea of what I'm thinking. And I really just put it together so I had a visual guide to work out how to set up my bracketry to hold all this in place. None of that is actually going to get used on the bike. It's purely template smashing together ideas. So what I've come up with for the brackets is starting with a 2-inch exhaust bracket. What I've done to that is I've welded a piece of 13mm square onto the front of it. I've also welded another piece of 13mm square underneath it. So this is the result that I've got from there. I've also, on the sides, I've also, close to me, just a little bit of a 1/4 inch flat, and cut the size and weld it on. Done that on both sides. The piece on the bottom is so that I can mount another bracket off the front of this thing. That'll be for a driving light of some description. So the two bottom mounts will sit that way. I can have another bracket sneak out from behind somehow, slick out in front so that I can mount a driving light if I decide to. I may not do that yet. Don't know whether I'm going to need to. To mount the screen, or the screen mountings, I'm going to take, I'll make that out of this 20mm solid round. Cut it into similar size pieces like that and drill a hole through it, and then weld them there. This bracket will have, this rod will have a U bracket which will fit around, and basically just a bolt straight through it. I'm going to do that on the other end, so the top end of the thing will have basically the same arrangement. I want to be able to move this screen up and down, and I'll also set the top up that it'll tilt forward and back, just so that it will work out for exactly what I want it to be. So that's the bracketry so far. Now, I'm not going to build a trailer for the bike. I've decided against that. I've decided that I'm going to take my car and my tandem trailer. I've got a 5x7 foot tandem trailer. I'm going to tow the bike to my major locations. From there will be while I'm camping in, and I'll be camping there for minimum of a week. So I'll be taking day trips out from my campsite. All of that stuff I'll do on the bike. It might sound like wimping out, but it is what it is. The trip for me is more about doing the trip than doing it on the bike. Living on the road, and living as comfortably as I possibly can, and living off grid. And I don't want to be slumming it. I mean, I've done many big trips over the years where I've just had my little 3-man tent and me bit of foam on the ground and all of that. Because I want to be able to set up a campsite where I can cook me dinner, and I can kick back in the evening. I can get a camera out and sit and photograph birds or do whatever. Yeah, so it's not about necessarily doing the long distances on the bike, and as romantic and as exciting as that idea is, for me it's impractical. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually pretty happy with these decisions that I've made about how I'm going to do the trip. So I don't need to build a trailer for the bike to follow the bike. I don't have to fuck around building a tow bar. I'm going to put the screen on it because I want a screen on the bike. That's what I'm thinking anyway. Alright guys, yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like and drop us a comment. Catch us later.